As you age, maintaining a healthy diet becomes increasingly important for overall well-being. Including nutrient-rich vegetables in your meals can be particularly beneficial. We turn our gaze towards the humble yet mighty vegetable kingdom, where an array of vibrant colors and flavors holds the promise of rejuvenation and well-being. Each vegetable holds within it a treasure trove of nutrients and benefits, offering a pathway to a healthier. Here are 5 powerful vegetables that can help boost your health after the age of 50. 1. Kale. Kale is often hailed as a superfood for good reason. This leafy green is packed with essential nutrients that can significantly contribute to your health, especially as you age. Firstly, kale is incredibly rich in vitamin A, providing over 200% of your daily recommended intake in just 1 cup of raw kale. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, particularly in low-light conditions, and also supports immune function and skin health. Moreover, kale is a powerhouse of vitamin C, boasting even more than an orange. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases and accelerate aging. Additionally, vitamin C is vital for collagen synthesis, promoting skin elasticity and wound healing. Furthermore, kale is an excellent source of vitamin K, providing over 600% of your daily needs in just 1 cup. Vitamin K is essential for bone health as it regulates calcium metabolism and helps prevent osteoporosis, a common concern as you age. Adequate vitamin K intake also supports cardiovascular health by preventing arterial calcification. In addition to vitamins, kale is loaded with antioxidants such as beta-carotene and flavonoids. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in many age-related diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and Alzheimer's. Finally, kale is high in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is crucial for nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. Incorporating kale into your diet can be as simple as adding it to salads, soups, smoothies, or sautéing it as a side dish. Its versatility and nutrient density make it an excellent choice for promoting health after the age of 50. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is another nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous health benefits, particularly for older adults. One of its most notable features is its high vitamin C content, which rivals that of oranges. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C helps neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and arthritis. Additionally, broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin K, providing over 100% of your daily needs in just 1 cup. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone health by regulating calcium levels and promoting bone mineralization, which is essential for preventing fractures and osteoporosis, common concerns as you age. Furthermore, broccoli contains significant amounts of folate, a B vitamin essential for DNA synthesis and repair. Folate deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, cognitive decline, and certain cancers, making it especially important for older adults to ensure an adequate intake. Moreover, broccoli is rich in fiber, which supports digestive health by promoting regularity and preventing constipation. A healthy digestive system is vital for nutrient absorption, waste elimination, and overall well-being. Beyond its vitamins and fiber, broccoli contains unique compounds called glucosinolates, which have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. These compounds may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce inflammation, offering additional protection against age-related diseases. Incorporating broccoli into your diet can be as easy as steaming it as a side dish, adding it to stir-fries or salads, or blending it into soups or smoothies. Its versatility and health benefits make it a valuable addition to any diet, especially for individuals over 50. 3. Spinach. Spinach is often lauded for its nutritional value and health benefits, making it an excellent choice for promoting well-being, particularly in older adults. One of its standout features is its high iron content, which is essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body and preventing iron deficiency anemia, a common concern as you age. Moreover, spinach is rich in vitamin A, providing over 100% of your daily needs in just 1 cup. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting skin health, all of which become increasingly important as you age. Additionally, spinach is a great source of vitamin C, offering over 25% of your daily needs in one cup. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support collagen synthesis, essential for maintaining skin elasticity and wound healing. Furthermore, spinach is packed with vitamin K, providing over 150% of your daily requirements in one cup. Vitamin K is essential for bone health as it regulates calcium metabolism and helps prevent osteoporosis, a significant concern for older adults. Beyond its vitamins, spinach contains various antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are particularly beneficial for eye health. These compounds help protect against age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Moreover, spinach is rich in dietary fiber, promoting digestive health by supporting regularity and preventing constipation. A healthy digestive system is crucial for nutrient absorption, waste elimination, and overall well-being. Incorporating spinach into your diet can be as simple as adding it to salads, sandwiches, omelets, or pasta dishes, or blending it into smoothies or soups. Its versatility and nutrient density make it an excellent choice for individuals over 50 looking to enhance their health. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-rich root vegetable that offers numerous health benefits, particularly for older adults. One of their most notable features is their high vitamin A content, providing over 400% of your daily needs in just one medium-sized sweet potato. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting skin health, all of which become increasingly important as you age. Moreover, sweet potatoes are a good source of vitamin C, offering over 30% of your daily needs in one medium-sized potato. Additionally, sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, providing over 15% of your daily needs in one medium-sized potato. Potassium plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, supporting heart health, and preventing stroke, all of which are significant concerns for older adults. Furthermore, sweet potatoes are high in dietary fiber, promoting digestive health by supporting regularity and preventing constipation. Moreover, sweet potatoes contain unique antioxidants such as beta-carotene and anthocyanins, which have been linked to various health benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved cognitive function, and enhanced immune response. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can be as simple as baking, mashing, or roasting them as a nutritious side dish or main ingredient in various recipes. Their versatility and health benefits make them an excellent choice for promoting well-being after the age of 50. 5. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are colorful vegetables that offer a myriad of health benefits, making them an excellent addition to any diet, particularly for individuals over the age of 50. One of their notable attributes is their significant vitamin C content, delivering over 200% of your daily. Furthermore, bell peppers are abundant in vitamin A, providing over 100% of your daily needs in a single cup. Incorporating bell peppers into your meals can be as simple as enjoying them raw in salads, as crunchy snacks, or cooked in a variety of dishes such as stir-fries, soups, and stews. At the end of this video, subscribe to the channel if you like the content, and put a like on the video because this will make this video spread to the largest number of people who need help.